friends, today I am explaining HANA view. HANA, HANA technology innovations and multi-core parallel processing. Actually, in HANA technology innovations, we had hardware and software. In hardware, it consists of multi-core parallel processing, store data in main memory. Whereas in software technology, which has rows and column store, compression, partitioning, no aggregate tables or summary tables. Coming to multi-core parallel processing, let us know what is meant by core. Core, it is a part of CPU which actually performs activities. Let us example quad core. Quad core consists of 4 cores which 4 activities has to be done at a particular time. I mean 4 actions has to be worked at a single time, at a time. In HANA server, it consists of one motherboard contains 8 processors. One processor contains 12 cores. Let us 12 into 8 equal to 96 cores. That is 96 activities done parallelly at a time. Beyond 96 cores, we go for distributed systems or environment. That is to be system 1, system 2, or we can add it in HANA server. How parallel processing is to be done, I'll explain here. Yeah, here let us consider core 1, core 2, core 3 we have, and if consist of tables has 6 columns, then core 1 will to be perform column 1, core 2 perform column 2, and core 3 perform column 3 at a time. Then 4, 5, 6 has to be done at a time. So system has to be working so fast. We never write core to take any column. It is done by system intelligence. Yeah, main memory stores data or processing data in RAM. In CPU, in RAM, reading for RAM is 1 million times faster than HD. So HANA is faster. Here RAM size is 2 terabytes or 4 terabytes. RAM is volatile. That is when you lose power, all data will be lost. In HANA, every read is from main memory, write is from main memory and disk. When you start your HANA server, first system database, application database from HD to RAM. Whenever save point is clicked, then one record is added to database. Before executing power offs, then data is in main memory is lost, then it loads from database and as well as logs. Yeah, for the system, for software technology innovation, it stores row and column stores. Yeah, any database that is Oracle, SQL, etc., the data is stored as a table. In HANA, I'll show the difference between rows and column store. Let us consider one table, that is to be table 1, which consists of country, product and sales as a columns. If you want to get the complete sales data, that is the complete aggregation of, I mean to say is average of sales, in row store data has to be fetched in this way. Complete row has to be fetched the data and considering the value from sales, then it has to read complete table. Whereas in column store, it has to store in column wise. See, this is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the third column. Yeah, it has to be stored in column wise. If you want to aggregate or else summation or average of sales, then we can easily aggregate the data by using column store. Rows will store in continuous memory locations, whereas in column store uses Positioning index. By using this, it matches links between the columns. In case of column store, data can be compressed using positioning index. To read or report, row store is better. For analysis, column store is better. Let us consider F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 is the columns. F1 is a primary key where F4 is F4 equal to UK, where, and this is the another example. This is the table where F1 is a primary key. Here we are giving where F4 equal to UK. Here we given, here also F1 is a primary key where F1 equal to UK. Which table has to be data, which table data has to be fetched fastly? Yeah, obviously second table, because F1 is a primary key where we are given a condition from F1. So column store acts as an index, so it increases reading performance. For inserting a new data, row store is faster. Inserting in column store, it takes a little bit later compared to row store. Whenever we add or insert data, we'll go to delta table. When the system is free, delta merge will happen. That is, data present in delta will be moved to main memory.